Someone mentioned a while back, a long time back, maybe about 50 minutes ago, right, and I can't scroll back and find it, but I saw the word banned, and I don't think it was in reference to me or my channel yet. I think it was probably in reference to the DJI bans in the United States, which the FCC, I believe, or somebody, I don't know if it's the FCC, but somebody has now been. I don't think it's the FCC, but there is some governmental body, I can't remember off the top of my head where it is, has now been given authorization to, is it retroactive? Is that the word? Retroactively ban DJI drones, which means that I think up until now it was new drones were not allowed to come in to be bought or flown in the USA. But with this new ruling that has just come out, this body, whoever it is, it might be the FCC. In fact, I think it is, now that I think about it, I think it is the FCC, have been given the authority to retroactively ban DJI drones, which means in effect that even if you have a Mini 2 or a Mini 3 or a Mini 4 that you bought years ago, you can that can be banned now. So you will not be able to fly a DJI drone. And I found something out today that it didn't really surprise. It surprised me when I found it out, but thinking about it, I thought, that starts to make sense. Now, you might think that sounds a bit like conspiracy nuttish, what I'm about to tell you, but this is a fact, right? And I've written it down so I didn't forget it on my agenda. There is an American drone company called Rotor Riot. Now, I don't know if that is a name that they have always had, or if it's a name that some USA-based drone company has adapted or adopted or changed to. I don't know, but there's an American drone company called Rotor Riot, right? And this company has just recently, very, very recently, appointed to the board Don Jr., Donald Trump's son. He is now on the board of Rotor Riot, an American-based drone manufacturing, producing company. At the same time, almost, it might even have been the same day that this appointment was made for Don Jr. to be a board. It might even be the chairman, the CEO. I don't know. I didn't look into that much. I was a bit stunned and I didn't have the time to look into the details of it. I will do though. So he's possibly the CEO, but nevertheless, even if he's not, he's absolutely on the board of Rotor Riot, this this American-based drone company, and he was appointed very close to the time when the ruling was issued that the FCC can now retroactively ban DJI drones in the USA. Now, that's too coincidental for my liking. It's too coincidental for me to believe that it's a coincidence. I don't believe it's a coincidence. It's just crazy. So what does anyone think about that? Mickey says MAGA making the rules. Well, you have to conclude something about this. There's only two options that you can form a conclusion about this, in my opinion. And those two options are, one, this was just a coincidence that Don Jr. just happened to be appointed to this USA-based drone company. And coincidentally, the FCC can now retroactively ban DJI drones from the USA. Or, because Don Jr. Trump was appointed to the board of Rotor Riot, the administration has given the FCC the authority, not only the authority, they have ordered them to retroactively ban DJI drones in the USA, which not only stops the import of new DJI drones, but it basically kills any DJI drone use in the USA, which then it leaves a massive, massive gap for some other drone company, preferably a US-based drone company, to fill that gap. A drone company, you may say, like Rotor Riot, who happen now to have Don Jr. on their board. So those are the only two conclusions you can come to. If anyone else thinks there's a different way of looking at it, it might be something else. It's not a coincidence. It's not because he's appointed there. It's because option number 3, what would that be? Silly Dev says, the way they are banning DJI drones is the FCC license for the Wi-Fi. That sentence wasn't structured well enough for me to understand what it means, and that might not be your fault. That might be the fault of the COVID-19, the long COVID. But I don't quite know what you mean by the way they are banning DJI drones is the FCC license for the Wi-Fi. I don't know what that means. There you go. Trump's son is on the board of Unusual Machines Company. Michael, I wonder if the Unusual Machines Company is connected in some way with Rotor Riot, this American drone manufacturing company, because that often happens. Cadbury will own 20 different subsidiaries, like Coca-Cola owns Cadbury, or Cadbury owns Coca-Cola, or something like that. There's like the Winover brand has all these different major brands. So it could be the same company. I don't know. You brought it up. You do the research and let us know, because that's interesting. Exiled FP says one has nothing to do with the other. So you're saying it's coincidence. It's absolute coincidence. You're saying that Don Jr. has been appointed to the board of Rotor Riot, an American-based drone company, at the same time as an governmental administrative order was issued to the FCC to retroactively ban DJI drones. That's a coincidence, you're saying. Okay, you are entitled to your opinion, even if you're wrong. Competition could be good. Hold on, wait a minute, Mickey. There's not competition if you disallow one of the competitors from selling their product. Where's the competition? There's only competition if you've got more than one company producing a product, because the competition then is to either increase the quality of the product or reduce the price of the product to compete with your competitor. But if you ban your competitor from selling the product, there's no competition. So that statement, competition could be good, is only good if there is a competitor. It seems like the administration has just completely done away with one of the competitors. Not only a competitor, but the major leading producer of drones for the USA, for the world. Early Dave, I didn't think they were banning existing DJI drones, only the import and sale of new DJI drones. Yeah, that's right. That's my whole point. That's what they were doing. You're absolutely right. But then Don Jr. was appointed to the board of Rotor Riot, a US-based drone manufacturing company, and at the same time, this changed. The FCC were ordered by the administration to start retroactively banning drones, DJI drones. So it changed as soon as Donald's son got on the board of this drone company. That's my whole point of bringing this up. It sounds too coincidental to me to be a coincidence. It's nothing to do with me, I can assure you that. Dave said something but then retracted his message. I'd like to know what he said there. Right. Exiled FPV says Red Cat Holding owns Unusual Machines, which owns Rotor Riot. Boom. Michael, well done. There you go. And my theory was right as well. Thanks very much for that, Exile. There you go. So, and to follow up with that, you're saying that Don Jr. bought a large amount of stock, which made him a board member. So he buys a huge amount of stock in a US-based drone company, and coincidentally, at the same time, the major producer and seller of drones in the USA is banned not only from selling new drones, but will have the FCC retroactively banning all DJI drones in the USA. Come on, people. No, Rotor Riot are not anti-DJI. It doesn't matter what their stance is on DJI. It doesn't matter, because if the government administration has banned DJI drones, and including retroactively banning all DJI drones, doesn't matter whether they're anti-DJI or not, because DJI won't exist very soon in the USA. That's what Dave retracted earlier. Right, we're almost up to date with the comments, and I've got a couple of agenda points to go back to. Sully, this is, I get that DJI being Chinese might be a security concern. There's similar talk in security circles about products like cameras and TP-Link. But that isn't, it's a valid point you're making, but it doesn't change anything, because Rotor Riot import Chinese components to manufacture their drones in the USA. So and it wouldn't surprise me if it's more than just components that are being imported. So it really makes no, it doesn't matter. The security concern is still there. If there is a security concern with DJI drones, then the security concern still exists with Rotor Riot drones, because the components of the Rotor Riot drones are imported from China. We've got one of the funny faces. There you go. I think that's just you acknowledging that you nailed that one with the other company. What was it? The Unusual Machines company. You nailed that one.